Welcome to our channel.
We are Adventures of a Natural Family.
I'm Kyle.
I'm Alana.
And I'm Ella.
We are a natural family, but we're definitely not perfect.
We love adventures.
My wife and I are both military veterans, and we full-time for 7 years in an RV in South Dakota.
And we didn't die. We love to travel, but this guy never seems to want to take me on enough trips.
Don't you mean we?
We love adventures and we love having fun.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And
stay
stay tuned.
tuned.
Oh, I messed it up.
Come on,
Okay,
woman.
that was good. That was good.
These are like